Guys, kung papapiliin kayo, anong gusto nyong maging? Maging isang Doberman na aso? Maging Chihuahua? Or magiging Maltese? Or magiging pusa? Or worse, magiging isang manok? Yan, ang pipiliin ko ay itong aso kasi naka-inherit ng $500 million. Okay na lang siguro maging manok kasi naka-inherit ng $15 million. Or itong maging aso, I think $12 million yung na-inherit niya. $12 million guys. Tapos itong si Conchita naka-receive ng 3 million na trust fund at isang mansyon na worth $8 million. Dito na lang siguro ako sa pusa kasi aside from my 9 lives sila, naka-inherit pa siya ng $13 million guys. Anong gagawin ng pusang ito yung $13 million? Yeah, we've been feeling like we are on a roller coaster. Siguro magsabi, ito na naman, pusa-pusa na naman. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi wala kaming mga anak tapos we are really treating them like our own. It's so painful. So it's cancer. Tumawag yung vet. Sakit guys. Super sakit. Oh my gosh, Coley. I'm gonna miss you. So i-transfer siya sa emergency and then hanap sila ng oncologist. Tapos we will ask kung may cure pa ba or wala na, kasi pag wala na, sinabi ko kay Cory na 1 second. So update sa aming Coley, I just got a call from the doctor. Yeah, it's confirmed, parang cancer talaga kasi may fluid siya sa kanyang tiyan at sa kanyang baga. And so they are going to transfer him to a specialist. Guys, ultrasound lang at saka other tests is $800 to $1,400. Utang na naman kami. Di bali na. And just like hyper, ganun din yung sakit niya. Ayan yung kinakatakutan ko nga eh. No, the doctor would say, sabi ng doctor, anong plano niyo? Atin siyang i-refer sa espesyalista or atin na lang siyang patulogin or ano. Yun yung pinaka-dreadful na news para sa akin. So, i-refer namin siya sa espesyalista and see if there's still something that we can do na masave siya. Pero pag sasabihin ng doctor na wala na siyang pag-asa, he's still okay, he's still oh my gosh, hindi ko na siya pauwiin dito, patulogin na lang namin siya. Ayoko siya mag-suffer. Always like this, guys, tears my heart apart every time I lose a cat. Yun, nag-iyakanay lang kami. Umiyak lang ako kay Cory. We just cried it. I was just like sobbing like crazy earlier. Buti na lang supportive yung asawa ko. Ang sakit-sakit. These are our children. You know, we love them very much. Oh. Oh. Hi guys, it's the next day. Wala pa akong tulog at wala pa akong bihis, walang ligo, walang toothbrush. Wala lahat. But yeah, we've been feeling like we are on a roller coaster. Alam niyo naman. Tapos siguro magsabi, ito na naman, pusa-pusa na naman. Guys, pagpasensyahan yun na kasi wala kaming mga anak. Tapos we are really treating them like our own. Not that I am justifying my being a cat crazy person. But sa previous videos ko, nakilala niyo yung mga pets na naka-inherit ng 15 million, ng 500 million, and may isa pa na manok naka-inherit ng millions of millions. Ganyan mag-love ng mga animals yung mga tao dito guys sa Western world. Like we treat our animals like they are part of the family, especially sa akin at saka kay Cory. Wala kaming anak, so yung world namin ay nagre-revolve talaga around our cats. They are like our kids, right Cory?
Yes, they are.
And so far, how much is the damage? We don't like to think about the finances kasi yung budget namin para
Like 500 yesterday, almost 600 yesterday.
just, how about at the other vet's office?
Well, you said up to 2,000.
300?
What's that?
300 at Dr. Worms.
380 and then 219, so basically 600 yesterday.
600 yesterday. Tapos hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin.
Tickets total.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh well.
Let's see if I can get some of them, okay?
Okay, love you.
That's your.
Thank
There's
you.
a lot of fluid. There should be less water in it, but
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you, Bag.
love ya.
So, nag-love you. Nag-iyakanay lang kami kasi ang hirap para kaming mawawala ng anak. Tapos yun, oh my gosh, parang litaw yung kaluluwa namin ni Cory kagabi. Kasi dinala namin siya sa vet. Tapos sabi ng doctor, sinabi kasi niya na it's either cancer or this and that. And then, kailangan ng ultrasound. So, akala ko talaga wala na. So, sinabi ko kay Cory, dalhin mo sa emergency. Doon na hospital na yun, yung emergency hospital. Makakapag-ultrasound yung pusa. Tapos, so sabi ko, ask them if they can keep the cat. If they can keep Coley overnight. Guys, yung overnight is like $800 just for the cat to stay there. So, sinabi ni Cory na nakagasta na tayo ng 600. Dalhin ko na lang sa bahay. And the very reason why pinatransfer ko sa emergency was because para doon na lang siya matulog. Yun, sayang yung 300 plus na punta doon. Alam naman namin kung anong diagnosis niya, but hindi nakuha ni Cory yung instruction ko na the reason why dalhin sa emergencies is so that doon na lang titira. Tapos, i-aspirate yung may fluid kasi siya. May tubig sa heart niya at saka sa baga niya at saka sa tiyan niya. Tapos sabi nung doktor na I don't think this is a heart problem kasi pag may fluid sa respiratory cavity mo, normally it's heart problem or leukemia. So sabi ng doktor doon sa emergency na it's probably cancer. Alam naman namin yun kasi doon sa kabilang doktor sabi nila probably cancer. So yun, sayang lang yung pera namin, but that's how we love our cats. And di bali na. So now, dinala ni Cory kanina, balik doon for his ultrasound. So yun, another doctor na naman. Sabi niya na yes, na may siya tubig sa kanyang abdominal cavity. Hindi ma-rule out kung cancer or what kind of illness. So, tatanggalin yung tubig sa kanyang baga. Tapos, doon ma-diagnose kung cancer or hindi. We will start from there. Pero pag cancer, maghanap naman kami ng oncologist, yung doctor na pang cancer talaga, and that would cost thousands again. So yung gasto namin kapon was 600 plus. Tapos yung gasto ngayon is 2,000 plus. Budget namin yan sa bahay. Tapos kinuna namin yung budget sa bahay sabi ko kay Cory, kuna na natin ng 2,000 kasi gusto ko na talagang magbakasyon. Well, no wonder wala akong peace for vacationing. So, canceled lahat. And turned out na magagasto yun para sa aming pusa. Our beloved Coley. Good thing is may kautangan kami dito. So, it's either i-keep namin yung budget namin para sa bahay. You know, it's never-ending project dun sa bahay, diba? Ang dami pang dapat gawin. So, either we keep that or bayad doon sa pusa or mangungutang kami. The good thing here in America is because may magpapautang. Hindi gaya sa atin na magpakapal ng mukha mangungutang sa kapitbahay, but dito sila yung mag-aano sa iyo na hey, you can use this credit card. So guys, dito sa Amerika hindi po lahat cash, but anyway, salamat pa rin tayo sa Panginoon. Di ba sabi sa Bible na in everything give thanks, whether good or bad, because it is the will of God. Pray lang namin na i-heal yung beloved cat namin. Kung hindi man, that the Lord would give us strength to wither this kind of problem. Ganon talaga guys, it's just having children. You know, na-imagine ko lang as what I've mentioned in my previous video. Paano na lang yung mga biktima sa natural calamities natin dyan. But anyway, yeah. Wala pa akong panuklay, wala lahat, walang cleaning up my face. Si Cory din, kawawa din si Cory. Like, yun, nag-iyakanay na naman kami today. We hug each other and sabi ko na, Cory, I'm glad that you're here kasi hindi ko kaya ganitong problema if I were to do it alone. Tapos umiyak din siya. Tapos sabi niya, hindi kita masyadong na-appreciate but I want you to know na very appreciated ko yung love mo sa ating mga pusa kasi I cannot just imagine, hindi daw niya ma-imagine kung nakapangasawa siya ng babaeng walang affection sa mga animals since animal lover siya, and it would be a big problem pag walang compassion yung maasawa niya sa mga pusa kasi malaki din talaga yung love niya sa mga animals. So still continually praying for our cats and for everybody who is suffering from whatever disaster they have. But anyway, thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong panonood ha. Sorry talaga na wala pa akong video na maipakita. Ang dami kong dapat gagawin dito sa bahay, but I just don't have the strength to get out of bed. Grabe yung depression ko for now, and until such time na ma-okay na yung puso namin, I don't think I can carry on doing what I need to do. You know, the things that I need to do here and in the other house. But guys, I hope that continually pa rin niyo akong panoorin kasi this is part of my being me. Kahit na sasabihin niyo, pusa lang naman yan. Yun yung sinabi ni Cory kanina nung nag-usap kami. Sabi niya, pag nakapangasawa ako nang magsasabing, bakit ka ganyan? Pusa lang naman yan. Sabi niya, parang hindi niya kaya na ganun yung napangasawa niya. So, pasalamat daw siya kay Lord dahil pareho yung compassion namin, pareho yung vision namin, pareho yung values namin. So, yeah, I also told him na di ko kaya na maganitong mga problema pag ako lang mag-isa. Kasi, walang makakaintindi ng gravity of love namin sa aming mga pusa, kundi kami lang. And, pasalamat din ako sa mga friends ko who are very supportive. Yes, galing sila Philippines, they're Filipinos, but they understand. So, yun, umiiyak ako sa mga friends ko din. Uiyak din sila, and we had good prayer time. So, I'm really thankful for my friends, Joanne, Heidi, Lenny, and everybody who is praying for us. So, sila lang talaga yung matakbuhan namin ba na iiyak ka tapos hindi sasabihin para pusa lang yan. Yung ganun, but they don't think like you're crazy or whatever. Because they feel the same way. They also have their own pets and they treat their pets like their own children too. But anyway, salamat sa inyong support, and I hope you will continue to support me. Especially now, grabe yung bills namin. Sana magka-monetize na ako, God willing. Sana. But ipakita ko sa inyo later when I feel better emotionally. Yung mga buhay-buhay natin dito sa Americas. Mag-start na naman kami ng carpentry work doon sa basement namin, and I hope you will still continue to watch me. Salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Ingat po. Bye-bye. You're still alive. Baby boy, open your mouth. Open up, open up.
That's an antibiotic. That's basically for any flea